Himangi. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all doing great. So in this video I'll be sharing a method by which you can convert your old boring coasters into brand new ones. So let's get started. So for this method you need a contact paper, some acrylic colors, Mod Podge or varnish spray and a paper cutter knife. Now first I will paint the edges with white acrylic color and leave it to dry. Here I am using the leftover marble print contact paper from an old DIY. Now place the coaster on contact paper and cut with sharp knife. One tip I would like to give is that if you want exact cutout, keep cutting the contact paper till it's removed without tearing. Once it's cut properly, peel the sticker and paste it on coaster. You can use Mod Podge if you are not using contact paper. Here I am painting the edges with gold acrylic color. You can skip this part if you want to. Leave it to dry for some time. Do not forget to varnish it by water sealer, Mod Podge or spray. Now they are ready to use. I hope you liked the video. If you do so, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. But if I lay down